Ed, the local market was expected to fall this morning. How did it open?
It was meant to fall by 0.4%, but it's actually down only 0.1%, which is a pretty good sign. Look, yesterday the market opened flat and it dropped by about 0.6%, and a lot of that was due to the uncertainty around New South Wales at the moment and whether the city of Sydney will enter a lockdown. But I think today is going to be one of those classic days where you watch the stocks which can be affected by COVID. Travel companies could lose value today, whereas retailers could rise as well. But we've had a little banking news this morning from Westpac. It's decided to hold on to its New Zealand bank, Westpac Bank in New Zealand. Earlier this year, they were considering spinning it off into a business worth $10 billion to generate additional cash flow, but they've decided shareholders will be better off if they hold on to the company.
Indeed. So we will watch the stock market and its reaction very closely when we hear from Gladys Berejiklian at 12:30. But later today, Woolworths will also spin off its drinks and pubs business, forming a new company on the stock market.
Endeavour Group. So this is basically Dan Murphy's, BWS and ALH Hotels, which is the largest hotels company in Australia. They have about 332 pubs and more than 12,000 pokie machines. So every Woolworths shareholder today at midday, when it launches on the stock market, will receive one share in Endeavour Group. And the total share register is going to be roughly 70% owned by Woolworths shareholders and roughly 14% by Woolworths and 14% by Bruce Matheson, the Australian billionaire, who's a 25% owner in ALH Hotels. So the strategy for the new company is pretty simple. It's expand their online capability, more online sales for Dan Murphy's in particular, and just keep generating the pub business and making it even bigger than it already is.